Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new here, then myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today, in this video, we are going to discuss about project control analyst role and what exactly it takes to become a good project control analyst. So, what exactly project control analyst is? Well, let's deep dive into the role of project control analyst and understand what exactly it does. Imagine being the financial and operational brain behind a project. Project controllers are a key player who ensure that everything planned on paper translates perfectly into reality. They manage budget, schedule, oversee spending, and make sure that every phase of the project adhere to the timeline and financial constraint set forth. So, think of them as a bridge between project management team and top management leadership. They provide key performance indicator updates and insight so that everyone can keep on track. So, if you're good at numbers and have a knack of detailed planning and enjoy making sure everything ticks like a well-oiled machine, this role could very well be your calling. Now, let's look into the project control analyst day-to-day job. So, now look into the day-to-day activity of project control analyst and understand what exactly they do. Every morning might start with checking the status of the project budget, schedule, updating expenditure forecast, and preparing progress report. They develop comprehensive project plan in collaboration with project manager, outlining the resources needed, timeline and budgets. Throughout the project life cycle, they monitor project's financial health, intervening when the costs need to be reined in or schedule need to be adjusted. Communication is a huge part of the role. You can often find project controller presenting schedule and cost performance indicator in various meetings. Also, they present project KPI to stakeholders and explain the rationale behind the budget adjustment. They ensure that everyone from team leader to external stakeholders are aligned with project goal and adjustment made. So, what does it take to become a project control analyst? Well, stepping into the shoes of a project control analyst means equipping yourself with a toolbox of skill. First and foremost, strong analytical skills are non-negotiable. They pass through data, interpreting complex financial information to make forecasts and recommendations. On the technical side, information of the project management software like Primavera P6, Microsoft Projects, Excel is a key to perform the project control activity. So, the proficiency with project management software like MS Project, Primavera and financial management tool like SAP and PowerMax is crucial. These tools helps in creating schedule, allocating resources and track cost. Soft skill matters too. Communication is a key for any success of project. Effective communication skill is critical as you will be explaining financial and schedule concept to non-financial team. Problem solving skill comes to play on daily basis as you will need to quickly find solution to keep the project on track without exceeding the budget. And let's not forget the resilience and flexibility because in project management the only constant is change. So, how do you become project control analyst? If you're looking to change your career in project control analyst, then you might be wondering how you can start and how you can develop your career in project control. Well, the most successful project controller start with strong educational foundation, typically a bachelor's degree in business, finance or engineering. From there, gaining certification like PMP, Certified Associate in Project Management can significantly boost your qualification. But education is just a part of the journey. Hands-on experience is very much important for successful development of project control career. Start by seeking opportunity in project management role where you can learn the ropes and gradually take more financial responsibilities. Volunteering for budgeting tasks, shadowing experienced controller or taking on small projects can provide the practical experience needed. Remember, every bit of experience counts and helps you build a reputation as a skilled project controller. And of course, it's not all about Excel sheet and high five. There are challenges faced by the project controller which is different than a normal project team member. There are challenges like tight deadlines and budget constraint, but hey, overcoming this is what will make you stand out. Think of it as your project controller gym. No pain, no gain, right? And that is all about today's video. Before you go, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can stay on top of all the stuff related to project management. Thanks for watching this video and keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. Feel free to drop a comment below and we would love to help you out. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.